Let's have another example of solving rational inequality. So, ang given natin is 3 over 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over x plus 2. Again, ang step number 1, dapat one side of the inequality is 0. So, ililipat natin ng 2 over x plus 2 on the left side. So, this will be 3 over 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over x minus 2 over x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Then, get the LCD. So, kung titignan natin, kung may factor pa ba ang denominators natin. So, kung wala na, automatic ang LCD natin is 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. And then, i-divide natin ang LCD dito. So, 2x minus 1, x plus 2 divide 2x minus 1 is x plus 2 kasi makakancel na yung 2x minus 1 times 3. So, that will be 3 times x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1, x plus 2, divide natin sa x plus 2, makakancel ang x plus 2. May iiwan naman ng 2x minus 1, multiply natin sa numerator na 2. So, that will be 2 times 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. And then, distribute natin. So, ganun din dito. So, that will be 3 times x is 3x plus 6 minus 2 times 2, 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2 over the quantity of 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Simplifying the numerator, you have 3x and negative 4x, that is negative x. 6 plus 2, you have 8 over 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Then, ulitin natin para makuha natin ang critical values. I-equate natin both numerator and denominator by 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung negative x plus 8 natin, equate natin sa 0. So, ang x natin or negative x equals negative 8 or x equals 8. So, that's one of the critical value. Then, ang denominator natin na 2x minus 1. So, that will be 2x minus 1. Equate ulit natin sa 0. So, 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2. So, x is equal to 1/2 or 0.5, another critical value or 0.5. And then, the third critical value natin, you have x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x equals negative 2. And then, ilalagay natin yung tatlo na yan sa number line. So, pag nilagay natin sa number line yung tatlo na yan, so again, that will be, may 8 tayo, 0.5 and negative 2. So, lagyan natin dito ang negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, lalagay natin ang 8. Then, you have 0.5. And then, you have negative 2. And then, para malaman natin kung alin dyan ang included, so we have to test first or solve natin ang mga values na yan doon sa ating original na inequality. So, ang original na inequality natin, balikan natin, you have 3. Ito siya. Yung 3 over 2x minus 1 and 2 over x plus 2. So, again, gagamitin natin yung ating critical values na 8, 5, or negative 8, 0.5, and negative 2. So, balikan natin yung equation, inequality natin. Ito siya. So, again, you have 8, x equals 8. X equals 0.5 and x equals negative 2. So, unahin natin yung 8, substitute natin sa given natin. So, that will be 3 over 2 times 8 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 8 plus 2. So, that is 3 over 16 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 10. So, that is 3 over 15 is less than or equal to 1/5 or 2 over 10. So, divide natin. So, 3 divided by 15, that is 0.2. Is less than or equal to 1 divided by 5, that is also 0.2. So, they are equal. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating 8 kanina, ito yon is included. So, kasali siya. Sa shaded portion dapat yon. Then, let's try 0.5. So, kung 0.5 naman, substitute ulit natin dito. So, that will be 3 over 2 times 0.5 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 0.5 plus 2. So, that will be 3 over 2 times 0.5 is ilan? So, that is 0.1. Sorry, 2 times 0.5 rather. That is 1. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 2.5. Now, kung titignan natin yung left side natin, that will be 3 over 0. Alam natin na kapag denominator ay 0, this will be undefined. So, kung undefined yan, hindi natin makukuha yung value natin. So, meaning, kapag ang x ay 0.5, 0.5 is not included. So, this will be or an empty circle. So, hindi siya shaded. Okay? And then, for x equals to naman, kung ang x ay negative 2 rather, so substitute ulit natin. So, that is 3 over 2 times negative 2 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over negative 2 plus 2. So, pag tinignan natin yung right side, negative 2 plus 2 is also 0. So, again, ito ay undefined. So, kung undefined yan, again, hindi ulit kasali ang negative 2. So, hindi siya kasali. It's not included again. Okay? So, that will be undefined or not included. Then, kukuha ulit tayo ng test values natin para malaman natin the solution set. So, dahil may tatlo tayong critical values, ibig sabihin, ang magiging test values natin this time ay 4. So, mula dito sa negative 2 pakaliwa, pwede natin gamitin ang negative 3. So, that is negative 3 yung isa. And then, mula negative 2 hanggang 0.5, na doon ng 0, gamitin natin ang 0. So, para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Then, mula 0.5 hanggang 8. So, para madali, gamitin natin ang 1. And then, mula 8 pa kanan, pwede natin gamitin ang 9. Okay, so that's negative 3, 0, 1, and 9 ang ating magiging test values. And then, gamitin ulit ating original inequality natin. Ang inequality natin, rewrite ko na dito sa ibabaw. That's 3 over 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over x plus 2. So, itry natin ang negative 3. So, sa negative 3, that is 3 over 2 times negative 3 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over x plus 2. And then you have 3 over negative 6 minus 1 is less than or equal to, this is negative 3 also, sorry. So that is 2 over negative 1. So that is 3 over negative 7 is less than or equal to negative 2. So 3 divided negative 7, that is negative 0.43 is less than or equal to negative 2. Is it true or false? So, ang negative 0.43 ay mas mataas sa negative 2. So, the statement is false. And then, for the second test value naman natin, 0. So, substitute ulit natin. So, that will be 3 over 2 times 0 ulit minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 0 plus 2. So, that is 3 over 2 times 0 is 0 times negative 1 is negative 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 2. So, this is negative 3 is less than or equal to 1. So, the statement, ang negative 3, mas mababa sa 1. So, the statement is true. Okay? That is for 0. Try naman natin ang 1. Dito na yung 9 mamaya. So, let's have 1. So, sa 1 naman, ganun ulit. So, that is 2 over 2 times 1. This is 3 rather. So, 3 ang numerator. Over 2 times 1 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 1 plus 2. So, that is 3 over 2 times 1, 2 minus 1, 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 1 plus 2 is 3. So, 3 divided by 1, 3 is less than or equal to 2 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 3 is 0.67. So, obviously, 3 is not less than 0.67. So, the statement is false. Let's try the last test value, 9. So, that will be 3 over 2 times 9 minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 over 9 plus 2. So, 3 over 9, 2 times 9 is 18 minus 1, 17 is less than or equal to 2 over 11. So, divide natin, 3 divide 17. So, that is 0.18 is less than or equal to 2 divide 11. That is 0.18. So, check natin yung exactong value. Ano? So, ang 3 divide 17 kasi is 0.1764. So, para malaman natin yung exacto, 0.1764. Ang 2 divide 11 is 0.1818. So, kung makikita natin, the statement is true. So, meaning, dalawa ang ating magiging solution set. Ito, at saka ito. So, paano natin i-rewrite yun? So, ang magiging solution set natin this time ay, rewrite natin dito sa kabilang side. So, our solution set will be, ito, yung mula sa 0 natin. So, saan natin kinuha yung 0 na yan? Yung 0 na yan ay nanggaling sa, dito, that is between negative 2 and 0.5. So, ibig sabihin, pag kinuha natin yan, ang magiging solution set natin mula dito natin, so that's negative 2, not included, so parenthesis pwede, negative 2, 0.5, union, dahil dalawa sila, i-unite natin dun sa dulo na 9. So, nasan yung 9? Nandito siya. So, ibig sabihin, mula dito pa kanan is also a solution set. So, ibig sabihin, kung makikita nyo ang 8 ay kasali, so that is a bracket, 8, pagpapunta sa kanan, that is positive infinity, parenthesis. Pagpapunta naman sa kaliwa, that is negative infinity. Okay? So, that will be the solution set.